Good morning or afternoon or night. I don't know when you're watching this. But today we're going to do a butterfly painting. It's kind of a swipe, and I'm using this old pour that all ran off. If you didn't see that video, it's just horrible. Like, I didn't set it up straight and everything ran off onto the carpet, which I have now hid from my husband. So I'm starting with cutting up the paper bags, and later on in the video you'll find that I actually did need something a little bit more construction to it. This is a 3 video series where I do different butterfly versions, and the first one I saw designer Gemma 77 on Facebook. It was like a very fast video, kind of like this. My version's a little bit different in this video, but I do try the way she shows it because it is quite beautiful how she does it. I just want to give her a shout out, and that was on Facebook that I found her, designer Gemma 77. Alrighty, I hope you enjoy the video.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side.
I have this metallic pen that I got at the dollar store, and I'm just doing a little finishing touches because sometimes with trying to pull the paint it doesn't work as well. You can finish them any way you want. If you think that looks good, then you could be done. Well, these dollar store markers worked pretty good, I believe. These aren't formal highlights that I'm doing. Usually, if you wanted to do the highlights, you would have to pick, like the sun would be here, and where would it hit? These are kind of more abstract-y type highlights. And I want to take a minute to thank everyone who's watched all my videos, or some of my videos, or one of my videos. It was very hard to start a YouTube. I was kind of scared about being on camera or just knowing what to do, and as you can see, I'm not on camera very much, so I'm not all totally up to that. But if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not, please consider being a subscriber. It helps because I know that what I'm doing is useful and it supports me. I will be able to get more products to show you different things. It's hard to get all the different art, paints, resins, everything. It's very costly to get all that stuff. So I really, really appreciate it. Of course, like the video if you do. That helps it like show in the standings, I guess. I don't know too much about it. There, I think that one's done. Let me show you. And then this will get sealed with a Liquitex varnish. I could do epoxy. I don't know if I will. Maybe. Let's look at the other one. Next, check out my other two videos on the butterfly series. Have a good day, all.